We at the Ark in Denver today. $39.99. Oh, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance. Let me see you twirl. Dang, look at that Polaroid camera.
Oh, wow. Is this one of those box cameras?
I don't know what's that one. Harper Lee is a good... This look like something Nikki would pick up. Yeah. The Arthur to Kill a Mockingbird.
Oh shoot, that's the other book.
Okay, we're grabbing it.
Yeah, that's the other book. That's the continuation of. Yes, that's funny. Cool. That's so funny. He picked that up because our friend was telling us that that's the story from the other main character in the book. That's her story when she leaves or whatever.
Okay, we're gonna have to pass this one around after. That's funny as hell. That is funny. Well, that's a good start. Where I want to start it. Look at the VHS.
Oh yeah, we were so good at this. So
dang, they got a hill.
But not the last thing I did, they had it.
She's all that.
So my mom put the points for to my flood using points. And when I showed up, I thought, oh, I can check it out. And they let me.
Yeah.
Oh, they have the money.
Oh yeah, you can rack up on the DVDs.
So you only get a free bag if you are your own driver. So because she took it for you, you still have to pay for it.
Let's get down to business and reach. Okay, I do gotta get in the line. I keep not keeping it for myself.
That's exciting. To Jimmy? Oh, that's exciting. Yeah. No, if you slide it right, it can be.
Blair, isn't he the one? Oh, I know you want. Is that him?
No, that's not just.
That song is. Oh, that is. He was before Justin Bieber.
Yes, he was. He is Nick Carter's younger brother, the guy from Backstreet Boys.
Ah.
And he did have it was a party around the Aaron party some movie he had on his own. Too bad he died.
He did?
He overdosed.
At what
Apparently
age?
the industry is what did it to him. They said they think it was he was trying to tell
Dudes,
them that he
where
was
my
being harassed or whatever, great.
Really?
And so he just killed himself. He had a drug addiction on him.
Well, damn. Oh, they got enough with J-Lo. I watched this so much. Great movie. Was watching it as a kid. Probably shouldn't have it, but that's how you learn about domestic violence, kids. And I watched this a lot. Two can play that game.
Oh, that's a good one.
That's a good one. We gotta get y'all a VHS player so y'all can. No.
It's so good. It's such a classic.
No.
I have this one.
Okay, I gotta get Dr. Dolittle because I've been collecting Eddie Murphy movies. You should definitely watch his documentary on Netflix. Yeah. Some good VHS over here. Had to grab the promo card real quick. The pickups.
Steve Harvey? I'm sorry, Steve Harvey?
Got Blair out here looking too.
They have Bitbusters.
Oh shit.
Oh wow. The original movie.
Bruh. At first I thought this was gonna be video now.
You got 2 of them if you want some games.
How much are they?
$2.99. And I think the other one's also $2.99 for Halo.
I'm gonna send Bradley a picture. Like, can I play this on the? I'm gonna have to get this one. R.I.P. Let me make sure they are all in here. The Karate Kid. Like Mike. Jerry Springer. Selena. Classics. 3 Strikes Sealed. Another song. I don't think I'm gonna get the Brady Bunch. Dude, where my car? And then the book. I was at another thrift store and they had all of them too.
No, her story's sad, okay?
So I added a few more things. I got these hydraulic Y2K denim Bermuda shorts. And then I got a pair of mud Bermuda shorts. The girls are liking the lingerie tops. So I got this one. And all of those VHS I showed y'all. Then I got this Goosebumps book. And then I think I showed y'all this, but Go Set a Watchman by Harper Lee is the author of To Kill a Mockingbird, and we are starting to read this in our friend group. And then I got this pattern to make some skirts. Got hella fabric at the studio, and I still need to complete my punch card for sewing projects, so that can be a sewing project. Then I did get a gang of VHS. And Blair gonna show y'all what she got.
I got me a little lunch bag. Oh my god. Sorry, y'all. I got a new lunch bag because me and my baby kind of been sharing the one that we got at the house. So I got one that's my colors and fits my vibe. So that. And then I got the Princess Bride. Probably can't. There you go. 13 going on 30. Always a classic. Julie and Julia. Which, if you don't know, get on that because she was a boss. God's Not Dead too, because we gotta have our Christian flick. School Days, yes. If you don't know, you better know.
Bruh.
It is a cult classic.
It's a classic.
And then the Cinderella Story with our girl Hilary Duff. We love her. She been on her big one. But that's what I got.
Yeah, and what? I spent $47.86.
I spent $20.73.
I think we did good.
I think so too. Brought a little extra cash just in case.
Just in case, because I'm gonna go thrifting. But we found some good stuff. Now it's time to head back to the Springs because Blair had a studio session today. And it was wonderful. But till next time, y'all.
It's a celebration, first of all. It's beautiful. I ain't going nowhere. I'm just going down the road.